Today I'm going to show you how to create this clipping mask using Canva. Go to Canva and after opening new Canva project, let's use this image, drag it to the design and adjust the size and download it. Click in the image again and remove the background. Let's crop it like this and increase the size. Go to edit, choose Due Tone, custom and change the color to black and download this image as well. Just delete this image and upload the two images that we make. So we have these images in the same size. Go to apps and type blend image, choose this app, click in this image and go to top layer and click use selected image. Click in the second image and go to bottom layer and click use selected image and choose screen. Click add to design and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.